Banana Q is so brilliant. Guys, I have a banana in here. So you just have to peel the banana like this. I got this banana at the Asian store, guys. So this is how it looks like. Actually, this is how it looks like. You can find it at the Asian store. The Asian store is 2 hours drive away from home, so we seldom go down there. Banana in here, and I cut it in half because why? This is for human consumption. I'm not selling it, guys, but you probably can sell it this way. Cut it in half. So bananas actually in here, you can seldom find it. You gotta go to an Asian store just to find it, guys, and sometimes they don't even have it. So that's the reason why I'm cutting it in half. Now I'm going to add the sugar, guys. I'm using my hand. I just wash it. I wash my hand and I add sugar in it and see what's the result. This is the first time that I'm doing this. I usually would cook turon and it's so good. And this time, let's see how it would turn out. And Kiara is already cranky and fussy. I got too much sugar in it. Oh, too much sugar. Let's see how it would turn out. So that is how it looks like, guys, right now. I'm just gonna wait. Bananas in here are quite different from, not really quite, it's very different from the one that we have in the Philippines. The one that we have in the Philippines is I don't know how can I explain it to you guys, but this one right here is kind of like mushy. I don't know let's see what will happen. The banana in the Philippines is hard and not mushy. This one is soft. So guys, I think it's done. Super duper done. Okay, Kiara, I'm holding Kiara, guys, while I'm cooking. It's kind of mushy, isn't it? Looks like it is mushy, but may not be. Probably just me. And Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O. That's what. B-I-N-G-O. So here it is, guys, the yummy banana Q. Banana Q is so good, and I bet it tastes so good too. That is so yummy. My hands is so wiggly. Okay, guys, this is my banana Q, and I'm going to taste it. Why it's a big deal to have a banana Q in here? Like, I'm so excited to taste it. Because for one thing, it's hard to find a banana here in a place where you can't grow it here unless you want to cover it during winter time, like what we did. But they don't have. All right, bye bye, guys. Yeah, cranky baby, we're going to bed. Here it is.